with this connection lost, we really started moving from natural to magical. What was a really natural experience of our ancestors became quite magical and incomprehensible for us. And also the life symbols of our ancestors, reflecting our attitudes today, have been transformed into the symbols of death. Can you please tell me what you see on the screen? Thank you. It's Christmas tree. How many of you are planning to decorate a Christmas tree this coming season? Thank you. Can anybody tell me why you are planning to do so? Tradition. Yeah, it's tradition. Really, it is a very long-standing tradition of celebrating life. Tree is a symbol of life. So the trees have traditionally been decorated for the winter solstice, even before Christianity itself was born, as a symbol of celebration of life. But I asked myself a question: why is it that we also decorate the Christmas trees or New Year trees with garlands of lights? And what is really the meaning of the 5 or sometimes 6-pointed star on top of it? Of course, there is the Christian's explanation of it, but because the ritual of decorating a tree for the winter solstice is much older than Christianity itself, there should be some other explanation as well. What I noticed too is that today we actually, for the most part, decorate dead trees, not living trees. They are being cut off their roots, or they are artificial and manufactured in plants, but they are no longer the living trees that our ancestors were decorating. So this past season, we decided in our family to decorate a New Year tree without killing the tree, to really celebrate it as a symbol of life. So I went to the nursery and I bought a spruce tree that was living with a big clump of soil, and we put it in a big pot in the middle of the living room. And prior to that, I noticed that really probably what we are trying to recreate with artificial means today is the experience of our ancestors they had on an everyday basis. If you wake up early in the morning and walk through the woods, you will see all these garlands of lights shining on the pine trees and spruce trees and other kind of trees. So this is what we have now lost and we are trying to recreate artificially. But when we decorated the whole tree, it showed to us just what was this ancient sacred meaning of this ritual, the meaning that we have lost today. Because it was really a living tree, the top of it sprouted on us. It emitted the new shoots around the winter solstice. And if you look at them from the top, they form a 5-pointed star with the 6th ray coming from the middle. It's as simple as that.